So it is very good actually that we were not recording, because we didn't miss the main part. From Wilson's you will get today's recording. That's not an issue. Somehow I just forgot today to start the recording. But thank you, Hassan. Yeah, so anyone aware of this theorem, Wilson's theorem? Hassan, you might have studied it in HH batch. Might be. Anyone who is aware of this Wilson's theorem, I want to just ask you guys, how is this coming? If you have any idea. Fine, cool. See, why is this coming? You should know it. This is 6 factorial, right? Now there is also a theoretical explanation for this, which includes contradiction. And I don't want to go into all that. Okay? I want to make it much simpler for you guys. This is what? This mod 7 equal to -1, right? This is what I'm saying. So can you just have a look here that this is 1 into 2 into 3. This is what? -3, 4 mod 7. This is what? -2. This is what? -1. Is this clear, everyone? Can I break it like this? This part and this part, right? So can you see a symmetry here? 1, 2, 3, -3, -2, -1. This is symmetrical, right? So hence what I will get? 6 into -6 mod 7. What will be 6 mod 7? -1. 6 mod 7 -1. Hence answer will be -1. This comes by symmetry. Just you have to see symmetry and nothing else. Because this will be symmetrical, and because this is that is why it is valid for a prime number only. Because only prime number will give you the symmetrical pattern, right? Hence this is only valid for a prime number. And if it is a prime number, then only before symmetry you will get a number which is having a mod equal to -1. And post symmetry you will also get a number which is having a mod equal to -1. That is why this value is -1. Cool. So this is a simple explanation of it. Symmetrical pattern. And this we will use in solving a question also. So please pay attention, right? Yes, Rahul, this can be extended to P-2, P-3, and so on. But rather than learning it, we will see how to solve it. Okay. Part I just explained the concept behind this formula. The concept is this is 6 factorial mod 7, right? So I can write it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what will be the remainder? Remainder will be 1, 2, 3 of this part separately. So see, Priyam, this I have deduced by myself only. If you go into the theoretical part, this involves contradiction method, which is not at all required. This I have deduced from myself, so that is why it is a very easier method. You won't find this anywhere on YouTube. Anyways, so yeah, so this is what 4 mod 7 is -3, 5 mod 7 is -2, 6 mod 7 is -1, right, Parth? So can you see a symmetry here, Parth? 1, 2, 3, -3, 2, 1, right? Now if you are seeing a symmetry, and because this is a prime number, the value will always be, post-symmetric value will be 1 less than the prime number. That is why you are getting this value. Anyways, so this is what the theorem is. The theorem says, if there is a prime number, 7, then 6 factorial mod 7 will be -1. As simple as that, guys, right? This is what the theorem says. Or I can also say it as 4, or I can also say, sorry, not 4, or I can also say it as 6, or I can also say it as 13, and so on, right? Now quickly give me the answer of this question. 36 factorial mod 37. So Priyam, this thing is very good that you are actually learning by yourself also. You are watching some YouTube videos also for Wilson's. So I'm expecting answers from you of each and every question. Okay, don't disappoint me. Just try to answer each and every question. Correct. So this is a simple application. Answer will be -1 or 36. Cool. This is a prime number. Let's move to the next question. What's the answer, guys? Which one, Bharat? Bharat, this has to be a prime number. This has to be a prime number, Bharat. This 37. This 5 has to be a prime number. Yeah, everyone knows this is 1. How this is 1? See. No, see, you all guys might have read this earlier also. Like n-1 factorial mod n, where n is a prime number, this will be -1. n-2 factorial mod n, where n is a prime number, will be +1. Okay. Now, how to solve this? This is 35 factorial. I know that 36 factorial mod 37 will be minus 1, right? I can write it as 35 factorial into 36 mod 37 is minus 1, right? Again, same, the thing that we did in Euler, guys. Remember, I have to make minus 1 as a multiple of 36. This is what? Minus 1 plus 37k, right? Minus 1 plus 37k mod 36 equal to 0. The same thing we did in Euler. This will be minus 1 plus k equal to 0. The value of k will be 1. So this will be minus 1 plus 37, which is 36. 35 factorial, the value of 35 factorial is 1. As a rule of thumb, you can always remember, if this is a prime number, 1 less than that number, minus 1. 2 less than that number, 1. Clear, everyone? The concept is clear? Any doubt on this concept? Now, I want to make it a multiple of 36, right? Because here I want to get something that is multiple of 36 so that I can divide it. Got it, Sachank? Cool. So yeah, so this is the extended Wilson's theorem where I can extend it to n minus 2 factorial. Right, guys? Someone was asking me, someone was just telling me that we can extend it to n minus 3 also. Right? We can extend it to n minus 3 also. So in that way, how many formulas will you learn? Can we extend it to n minus 4? Can we extend it to n minus 5? Priyam says उसमें k method से कर लेंगे. Okay. Now I have also deduced a formula. I have deduced an oral method to solve this question on Wilson's. And this solely belongs to me because I have deduced this method. You won't find it anywhere else. Yeah, I've taught this method in the last batch. So there, those students might be knowing it. Apart from this, my time students might be knowing it and so on. So only apart from my students, no one knows this method. So I will tell you an oral method also. No K involvement, nothing. You will just see the question, you will mark the answer. Okay. So that formula is derived by me on this Wilson's base, which I will tell you later on. Just hold on. First of all, what is the answer of this question? Now these questions should be pretty easy. What is the answer? Cool. I hope this is clear, right? Answer is again minus 1 or 108. Very basic question, right? What's the answer of this question? Now I will tell you a method by which you can solve this question orally. But first, let's see the concept wala method. Okay, chalo, everyone, just have a look. See, 100 factorial mod 101. You can, Priyam. Doesn't matter. You can. It won't matter. Try it from 98 factorial mod 101. You should get the same answer. Now, 100 factorial mod 101 is minus 1, right? I can write it as 97 factorial into 98 into 99 into 100 mod 101 is minus 1. This goes 97 factorial mod 101 into minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 mod 101 is minus 1. Cool. This is what 6. So I want to make RHS a multiple of 6. What we will do? Minus 1 plus 101k is a multiple of 6, right? Just divide it by 6. Minus 1. And what is, if I'm dividing it, what am I getting? Minus 1. So minus k equal to 0, value of k is minus 1. If value of k is minus 1, this becomes minus 102. 97 factorial becomes minus 102 upon minus 6, which is 17. Is this clear, everyone? There is a doubt moving forward, right? What is this? This is 6. The RHS should be a multiple of 6, right? This is minus 1. Cool. I want to make it as a multiple of 6. Okay. So can I write it as, see, this is mod 101. I've already told you, you can write remainder as minus 1, or you can write remainder as minus 1 plus 101, or you can write remainder as minus 1 plus 101 plus 101, or you can write remainder as minus 1 minus 101, or you can write it as minus 1 minus 101 minus 101, and so on, right? So in generalized form, I can write it as minus 1 plus 101k. Any doubt in this? Anyone? We did the same in Euler, guys. You guys don't revise the lectures, but no issues. -1 plus 101k, right? And this should be a multiple of 6. So -1 plus 101k should be a multiple of 6. Now dividing it by 6, the remainder when I divide this by 6 is -1. Remainder when I divide 101 by 6 is -1. Remainder when I divide k by 6 is k. This comes out to be minus k. Okay, because it is multiple, remainder is 0. This becomes k equal to -1. Any doubt now? As k equal to -1, this becomes -102. So -102 divided by -6, this becomes 17. Any doubt now? Anyone? Gayatri, clear? Whatever doubt you were asking, I couldn't get you. The 51 wala. Clear, Gayatri? So it is -6, na? This is what? -6 only. So -102 upon -6, 17. I've written -6 now. See? Okay, okay, Gayatri. Is this clear, everyone? Any doubt in this? If yes, then let me tell you the shortcut for it, which I have developed. See, there is a very, very simple shortcut. Just pay attention. Okay. What is, let me take you step by step. What is the difference? Difference is 4. So there will be 2 cases. Just let me change the ink color. Yeah. So there will be 2 cases. One case will be there when difference is even. Other case will be there when difference is odd. You have to basically do the same thing, just there will be 2 cases. Okay. When difference is even, you will simply divide 101, right? This 101 by difference is 4, right? You will divide it by 3 factorial, 1 less than the difference of this number. So what will be this value? Quickly tell me. Approximately, what will be this value? Quickly, guys, what will be this value? 16 point something, 16.9 or 8, whatever, right? X, 16 point something. Now you will just round it off. Okay, you will just round it off to the nearest integer. Rounding has to be done to the nearest integer. And if this is 0.5, like it is 15.5, then to the next higher integer, not the lower one. So this will be 17. Cool. You simply got your answer, which is 17. If the difference is even, the answer is 17 only. Suppose this difference would have been odd, the answer would have been 101 minus 17. That's it. That is as simple as you can get. Okay. That's what I am telling you, Priyam. If 15.4, that becomes 15. Okay. Okay. So how you have to do it? First of all, you will check the difference. And then you will just divide it by 1 factorial. And guys, don't sell it off in the market because this is developed by me only. And one more thing, a disclaimer, because I haven't read this anywhere and this is developed by me. That's why I hope this is 100% true and it almost follows in all the questions. Still, in case it fails in any question, then I'm not liable for it because I have tested it and tried it and developed it. So it works in all the cases. I haven't got any exception as of now. If I will get any exception, then I will let you know. But because this is not written anywhere, that is why you have to use it at your own risk. Okay, that's a disclaimer from my side. Anyways, so this will be 17. If suppose this comes, there is one more concept here, one more thing that you should include. This was 16.99, right? You rounded off to 17. No, Mukul, not 3 factorial. What was the difference, Mukul? 4, right? You have to divide it by 1 less than the difference. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So what I was saying is, yeah, there's one more thing. Suppose this is 16.9. So you rounded off to the next higher number, which is 17, right? Because the difference was even, you took it as it is. If it is odd, the answer is 101 minus 17. Suppose if this was 16.1, just for example, then you will round it off to the lowest integer, which is 16. In this case, just reverse will happen. If the difference is even, then the answer will be 101 minus 16. If the difference is odd, then the answer will be 16. As simple as that. Let's solve few more questions. I've also written it here, you can see. Let's solve this question. Now use this method. or you can use both the methods. Okay, I'll summarize, Priyam, don't worry. We'll solve few questions now. Use both the methods. Use the long method and use the shortcut method wala method. Use both the methods and let me know what are you getting. But please use both the methods. See, orally you guys can do it now, but please use both the methods. Rahul, Mukul, everyone whosoever is solving this question. Use both the methods and confirm. Guys, I think you are doing it by the short method. Please use the long method also. I don't want you to get habitual of, I want you to get habitual of this, but I also want you to know this long method. Please solve it by both the methods quickly. Let's see. Rahul, what? N minus 3 result, okay, N minus 4, okay. Okay, yeah. So you can do this. Suppose the difference is 5, Rahul, then what you will do? In case the difference is 5 or say the difference is 6, then what you will do? Then you have to go with the long method, right? You cannot learn each and everything like N minus 2, N minus 3. That is why it will come as a boon. So what is the difference here? Difference is 4. Difference is even. Okay. I have to divide 71 by 3 factorial, right? So if I am dividing this by 3 factorial, what I am getting approximately 11.xx. If I will convert, it will be 12. Answer is 12 because this is even. Clear? Now solve this question. Here the difference is 5. See, again what you will do, what's the difference? 5. Here the difference is odd. Okay. So divide 47 by what? 4 factorial. What is 4 factorial? 24. So what will this number be? Approximately 2. But because the difference was odd and I have rounded up to the next higher integer, answer will be 47 minus 2, which is 45, right? Any doubt in this? Cool. Next question. Difference odd hai? See, difference was odd, right? So I will just subtract 2 from 47 if I have rounded up to the next higher integer. Okay, guys, what is the difference here? What is the difference here? Difference is 4. Okay, so I have to divide 31 by what? 3 factorial. What is this? 5.1xx. Am I right, guys? So I have to make it 5, right? Right? I have to make it 5 in this case. Now, because I have rounded off to the lowest integer, which is 5, then what I will do? I cannot use this as my answer, even though the difference is even. I will use 31 minus 5 as my answer. Cool? Subtract by 31. Exactly. I hope this is clear. You will get answer is 26. Chalo, next question. Right, Rahul. Solve this question quickly. See, simplifying minus 1 plus 31k quickly, what we have to do is when you are finding it by mod 6, what is minus 1 mod 6? Minus 1. What is 31 mod 6? 1. K mod 6? K. 1 plus k equal to 0. K equal to 1. Okay, clear now? As simple as that. Okay, so here what is happening? Answer is 503. Anyone who has got a different answer than this? 504. Okay, guys, tell me one thing. See, knowing a shortcut or knowing a method doesn't mean yet you have to apply it brilliantly. Is first of all, this should be a prime number, right? This should be a prime number. Is 1007 a prime number? Is this a prime number, everyone? This is not a prime number, but this is 19 into 53. That was a trick question just to check your concentration. In CAT, if you're getting this question and answer and marking answer as 503, this will be wrong because this is not a prime number. Answer will be 0 because this is 1004 factorial and every one of you answered 503 or 504. 1, 2, 3 till 1007 divided by 19 into 53, both got cancelled. Answer is 0. Please pay attention to these things as well, guys. Don't, in a hurry, don't make silly mistakes. I told you how to determine whether a number is prime or not, right? Either you can use the square root wala method, that is one way that the guys are saying, or you can use it the method that I told, digital root and 6k plus minus 1 wala. Okay, that way you can identify. But it was actually not a selection technique. It was a a rejection technique. So even if these both are satisfying, then also you cannot for sure say it is a prime or not. Okay. In that case, what you have to do is you have to break it up, nothing else. See, on in odd, what we were doing is considering the odd wala case. This one, you mean this one? You mean this case or the previous one? Which one? See, when to subtract the remainder and when not to. Okay. So what I was saying is, Mukul, I am dividing 27 factorial by 31, right? Mukul. So what is happening? First of all, you have to check what is the remainder. What's the remainder? 4. So divide this by 3 factorial, right? This 31. You will get 5.1. You have to convert it to the least integer, that is the previous one, the nearest integer, that is. So you have converted it to 5. Now, because you have converted it to the lowest integer, if this difference is even, the answer will be 31 minus 5. Okay. Difference is odd, answer will be 5. Okay, Mukul. Suppose this would have been 5.9. Okay, and you would have said that this is 6. Because you have converted it to the upper integer, what will happen now? If the difference is even, 6 will be the answer. If difference is odd, 31 minus 6 is the answer. Now is it clear, Mukul? And guys, please pay attention to these type of questions. Now solve this question. Exactly, Akshay. That's why I told you this 6k plus minus 1 and 369 digital root. This is an elimination technique, not a selection technique. But in CAT, if they are giving you such questions, then you are expecting the same from you. Okay. So if it is following these two methods, then you can be pretty sure that it is not a prime number, right? But still, you cannot be sure. As I told you, it's an elimination technique. So then you have to go by the root wala method only. No other possibility. Or what you can do is, because you know the divisibility, you can check the numbers divisibility by the numbers which we know, like 2, 3, 5, 9, all the prime numbers, 7, 11, 13, right? 17. You can check it by those numbers. 19 will come midway. So that is what you can follow. Veer says 21. Okay. Others, what's the answer? Now that's a good question. Please solve. See guys, we cannot apply the shortcut in this question. Why? Because this is a very huge difference. This won't be divisible only, right? How to go about these questions? What can we do for these questions? You have to use the basic which I taught you. How we are getting this formula? Why we are using this method? It is restricted to as long as this is not the multiplication doesn't exceed this number. Okay, because here the difference is huge, right? If you divide this by, let's say, 1 into 2 into 3, it will work. Into 4, it will work. Into 5, it won't work, because then it will exceed this number, right? That is the concept behind this shortcut. That is why I told you have to learn both the methods. In fact, that is also not a limitation for this. You can modify it, but let's not get into it. How to modify that and all. Use the conventional method in this case. Everyone, please try it by the long method. I'm making pairs. Just try it out. Try this question out. See, whenever they will give you this type of difference, Purushottam, right? Whenever they will give you this type of difference, they will always expect you to use symmetry only. And you can also observe what is 43 divided by 2? Approximately 22, right? That is why this number is given, so that you can use symmetry. This is the logic behind it. Rahul, there is actually, but I don't want to go into that lens. The reason is the previous formula is derived by me, right? And I don't know the validity of it. Although I've cross-checked it and it is pretty okay, but giving something on the top of that for these questions, this won't be, like, what can I say? This won't be feasible. So it might fail at times. Now that's why I'm not telling you. Anyways, so what about this question? How can you do it? This is 22 factorial, right? 22 factorial mod 43. So I can write it as, first of all, if I will use Wilson, then what I can say? 42 factorial mod 43 equal to minus 1, because this is a prime number, right? I can write this. Then I can write it as 1 into 2 into 3 and so on, means 22 factorial into 23, 24, 25, till 42 mod 43 equal to -1. I hope this is clear. I'll take it step by step. If there is any issue in any step, then tell me. Is this clear? There are two ways to solve this question. One, if the options are given by long method, there are two ways. One, if options are given. Second, if option is not given. So there are two methods to solve this question. I'll quickly let you know both of these methods. Is this clear, everyone? Just tell me. Okay. So this is 22 factorial mod 43 into when this is just 42 mod 43. This will be what? -1. 41 mod 43 will be what? -2, -3 till 43 mod 23 mod 43, right? Till 20, that is -20 equal to -1 mod 43, right? I can safely say this. From here, you can do it by two methods. The one method is I can multiply 21 into 22 on this side. Just listen to me first. I can multiply 21 into 22 on this side. I can also multiply 21 into 22 on that side. So this will become what? 22 factorial square, right? If I will multiply 21 into 22 on this side, and I will multiply 21 into 22 on that side, what will this become? 22 factorial square. This will be 22 factorial square. This is one of the methods. In this, if you know options, then you can go by this method. This will be easier. So 22 factorial square mod 43 will be equal to what? 21 into 22 minus 1. 21 into 22 minus 1. Oh, sorry. 21 into 22 mod 43, right? This will be nothing but 11. So I can simply say x square mod 43 is 11, and the question asks the value of x. You can put the option values that are given, and you can obtain your answer. This is one method if option is given. What if the option is not given? Then how you can proceed? See, if the options are not given. In this case again, I will write first of all 42 factorial mod 43 is equal to -1. Again, I will break this. I have to break it. There is no other method. So 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 till 21. In the previous one, if I'm knowing options, I can do it very quickly. In this one, 21, then into 22, 23, 24. Hassan, I deleted that. So, okay, we'll discuss your doubt. Don't worry. Till 42 is equal to -1 mod 43, right? This will be what? 21. I'm just breaking this. 42 factorial in two parts. One part, other part. This is 21 factorial mod 43 into, again, -1, -2, -3. So again, this will become what? 21 factorial. So minus 21 factorial mod 43 equal to -1. Till here, is it clear, everyone? I'm just breaking this into two parts. Till 21 here and from 22 here. So this will be -1, -2, -3, 21. This will be -21, right? So I can say that 21 factorial square mod 43 is equal to, because a minus is there and minus is here also, equal to 1, right? Minus got cancelled. I can say 21 factorial square mod 43 equal 21 factorial mod 43 equal to +-1, right, guys? Because 21 factorial square mod 43 was 1. So square under rooting on both the sides, taking under root on both the sides. 21 factorial mod 43 is +-1 because I'm taking under root. So this will become +-1, right? So 21 factorial mod 43 can be either 1 or -1, right? Wait, Ayush, I'm explaining. Just follow with me. I hope till here it is clear to everyone. So what will be the answer? The answer can be either 22 or 21. By this method, what am I getting? The answer can be either 22 or 21. Right, guys? First of all, tell me, is this clear? See, 21 factorial mod 43 can be either 1 or -1. Till here, is it clear, Bharat? This part. what I want to take out? 22 factorial mod 43. So what will be 22 factorial mod 43? I'll just multiply it by 22 on either sides. So either 22 or minus 22, right? So this is 22, or what is minus 22? 21. Hence I wrote 22 or 21, just multiplying it by 22 on both the sides. Because Arpit, the property of mod says that I can break it. Every time when I'm using, let's say 7 plus 3 mod 5, I can write it as 7 mod 5 plus 3 mod 5. Right, Arpit? We have seen property of mods, like we have used them basically, like 7 into 3 mod 5. So 7 mod 5 into 3 mod 5 we can do, right, Arpit? Similarly. So answer can be either 22 or 21, right? By this method, you will get answer as either 22 or 21. How to differentiate then? What is the difference, guys? Difference is the shortcut one. Difference is odd or even? Difference is odd, right? So if the difference is odd, you will not say that the answer is 22. You will say that the answer is 21. Again, I'm giving you a shortcut for it, right, to identify this. But in CAT, if this comes, you can say the option, according to this, the answer can be either 22 or 21, right? Bharat, why this is coming? Because we are taking two cases, plus minus one, of when we are opening this under root, but only one case will be possible. Whenever I'm doing a number mod something, because I'm taking the under root on both the sides, I'm assuming two cases, but actually there will be only one case possible, right? I'm assuming an extra case. That's why to eliminate that case, if the difference is odd, then you have to take this 21. If difference is even, you have to take this 22. As simple as that. Or you can follow that 22 factorial wala method which I told you earlier and use options, right? Only in this type of question you will use symmetry and you will follow these methods. Rest you will do it orally. So next we will take up CRT, but I don't think so I should take it today. It is already 10:30. Okay, guys. Okay, it's already 10:30, so we'll 10:40 even. So we'll stop it here, and in the next class we will take CRT. Okay, we'll start with CRT, and then there will be few other things, and we will also see the base system. So please go through this video once again, and let me know in case of there is any doubt. Chalo, we will end the session here. If there is any doubt, then ask me. Okay. Post now, Acha, one more thing, guys. Post number system, I will start modern maths, because PNC and probability will be somewhat linked to this number system. That is why it is better to start modern maths. Cool. Okay, and in PNC also, I'll tell you some of my formulas like we did today. So we'll see. No Priyam geometry, Shamsa will take. And also algebra, I won't be taking, probably. I'm not sure right up now. We will see how it goes, because I won't have time, but probably I won't take. Let's see how it goes. But after this, we will start with PNC and probability. Chalo. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.